Hey there, this is Lori from Rideshare Silver. I'm doing a quick video to show you how to schedule a ride in advance with Uber. So let's get right to it. But before we click in there, I just want to let you know you can also try Lyft. If you've never tried Lyft as a passenger, there's a link in my description below that will give you some free ride credits. So check that out. So we're going to click into Uber. And so what we are going to do is the first thing is you're going to see the where to, and next to it the icon with the car and the clock. So we're going to click on that icon, and this is where you set up your scheduled ride in advance. So you need to give it a date and you need to give it a time. So I'm going to click in here, and I'm going to go out to, you can go out up to 30 days. So I'm going to go 30 days from now is July 3rd, and I'm going to set that. And then it's automatically going to fall to the time. So I'm going to say let's get picked up at 6, and then it's going to go to the minutes. So let's say we want to do 6:15, and in the morning you can toggle between AM and PM by simply tapping either PM or tapping AM. So I'm going to stick with AM. And as you can see, your scheduled ride is July 3rd from 6 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. So we would set the pickup window by tapping here. And then we just need to give it a location. So either you can tap into where to and actually data entry where you want to go, or I'm going to set it on the map. I'm going to go all the way down here to, let's go to Esther Short Playground. That's pretty. So I would set that right here, done. And then here I have the option. I need to select which vehicle I need. Uber X is going to be the 4-seater, XL is going to be the 6-seater, and then if you want to go high end, you can get the fancy schmancy Uber Black, but that's, as you can see, it's much more expensive. So from here, all you need to do is hit schedule Uber X, scheduling your ride. Okay, so here we are, upcoming ride set. So it's going to tell you that Tuesday, July 3rd at 6 a.m. to 6:30 for $10. This is telling you you've got it all set. So you say done. And you can actually access this as you can see right here. I can cancel the ride. So I'm going to do that because I'm not going to take it. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel the ride. And I'm going to cancel it. There we go. So the way you access this is you would go to your trips, as you can see, your trips. And this is going to show your past trips and your upcoming and your family. And that's how you access if you need to cancel your trip. So as you can see, it's canceled here. So once again, you just go up into the hamburger, your trips, and the upcoming none. That's where it was, and I canceled it. So that's how you do it. And they will send you a reminder about your upcoming trip. So that's as simple as it is. Hopefully this was helpful. If it did, please like, subscribe, share. And like I said, I have some free ride credits below for new Lyft riders, passengers. And also, if you've never used Uber, there's also a link there for you to also get a free ride with Uber. So be sure to check that out in the description below, and hope to see you on the road.